Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on profit and equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small company available at less than rupees 100 where Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has bought during the last quarter. His and his wife's combined stake in the company rose to 10.78% in the December quarter from 9.45% in the September quarter. Please watch this video to know more. Also friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to share these videos. This helps the channel grow and motivates us to create more such content for you in the future. Now the company in question is NCC Limited, which is available at rupees 88.95 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is NCC. Now NCC Limited is engaged in construction and project activities in the infrastructure sector. The company is involved in the construction of industrial and commercial buildings, roads, bridges and flyovers, water supply and environment projects, housing, power transmission lines, irrigation and hydrothermal power projects, and real estate development. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, the company has been on a consistent downtrend and a lot of wealth has been eroded as far as this stock is concerned. The company has a market cap of 5,342.75 crores, which means that the company is a borderline stock between a small cap and a mid cap. The EPS of 7.20 translates into a dirt cheap price to earnings ratio of 12.35 when compared with the industry PE of 23.35. The price to book ratio of 1.26 is also very cheap. The company has a debt to equity of 0.5791, whereas the dividend yield for this stock stands at 1.12%. The promoter holding, however, is on the lower side at 18.12%, and one concerning factor is that more than 40% of the promoter's holding, standing at 7.74% of the total, is pledged. The company also has a total debt of more than 24 billion rupees on its books. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.